Thank you so much for joining me, guys. Today we are going to discuss the topic how to speak to the audience in a group of gathering. Yes, guys, a group of gathering means it may be a classroom or in your office meeting, whatever it may be. So, what are the things that we have to follow means before getting into the speech, we have to do a lot of homework. Yes, guys, you have to be very clear with your topic and you have to do a lot of homework. You have to gather a lot of knowledge, ideas related to that topic, and you have to be perfectly practiced. Then only we have to enter into that speech. So, after that, you are entering, we have a lot of difficulties. Yes, guys, as a speaker, we may face a lot of difficulties like nervousness, we may forget the topic, or we may struck in the middle of the topic, like many things will happen. So in order to avoid these difficulties, we have to train your mind. Yes, guys, we have to train our mind that the audience, they don't know about the topic. So like that, we have to train our brain. Yes, guys, then only we can speak it with a very confident way. Then another one thing is, while you are speaking, yes, guys, your speech should be crystal clear to the audience. Then only they may understand what you are speaking. And also you have to use only a simple language what the audience can understand. So in the middle, if you are using any new vocabulary, phrases or idioms, what you have to do means you have to explain the meaning for that word and the vocabulary on the spot. Yes, guys, you have to explain it. Then only the audience can understand what you are speaking. The last and final one is, while you are speaking, your eye contact is very, very important. Yes, guys. So you have to give your eye contact to all the audience to whom you are speaking. See, your speech is not only to the people who are sitting in front of the row or to your friends. No. What you have to do means you have to give your eye contact to all the audience. So for that, we have to follow one trick, that is W shape. Yes, guys. First, your eye contact goes to the left side of the back, and then front of the left side comes to the middle, and front of the right side and back of the right side. So like that we have to follow. This trick is very much useful for you. That's bring the attentions of the audience in your speech. Yes, guys. So I think this video is useful for you. If you are speaking in the group of gathering or in your classroom, please use this trick. And I think this is very useful for you. If you think this is very useful, please subscribe to my channel and then share with your friends. Hit the like button. Yes, guys. Thank you so much. I will meet you soon with another one useful information. And thank you so much. And bye, guys.